We are living in a difficult time, which we economy is experiencing implantation this sturdily weakens, and we dive with financial resources and purchasing power. Earn a regular passive income with one of the most looked blockchain innovation of time. Advance in digitalization are trading in new opportunities in the financial world. Take a lead from Finsso to achieve your goals. We prioritize your development by delivering exceptional technology, solid pricing, 24 hours with high-level liquidity. Choose from our trending packages to open an account wherever you are in the world, and you will get market-leading prices backed up by the trading professionals using blockchain smart contracts and price actions technology. Finsso specialized in peer-to-peer blockchain index trade. AI technology and robotic edge placing will monitor all trades and it connected to their certified traders and users to engage earnings and variety of bonuses. Finsso Group assured the insurance to their valuable customers using P2P blockchain, and it keeps you on the top of bear markets. That's why Finsso is here for you, and you can achieve everything. Join Finsso.